One of the benefits to using a bigger stone, this is your cleanup. No pea stone in the grass. I love it. If we were using 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch on this job, here's another one. No big deal. So much easier just to walk around and just pick up, you know, that large cobble. Don't have to worry about getting, you know, small stone in the lawnmower, weed whip, anything like that. It's so hard to get that smaller stone out of the grass. There's a lot of advantages to bigger, coarser rock. It has larger void, so it's going to move far more water. It goes further. So when you compare the tonnage costs, know this. This is going to do more linear feet of trench than the 1/2 inch will. It just has more void. That 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, it'll fill all the voids. You'll end up using more tonnage. So I like this because it moves more water. There's more void. It's easier to clean up. Honestly, the price is a wash. Now, sometimes I need something to compact a little bit better. Every situation is different. This is a really bad water problem here, so we're not messing around. We got 5 high octane in the trench, 1 3/4 inch cobble. This system's gonna scream, man. This system's gonna rip. Look at that, 3 on top, 2 on the bottom. There's going to be so much void in that drain. It's going to move so much water. That pool yard is responsible for so much water, just hundreds of gallons of water per rain event. Then you got the water coming off the rooftop of the same house. This is going to give the water a clear, easy path out of here. To ask water to find its way out of grass in here, that's asking a lot. For water to somehow make that 90 and down to the storm drain. A vein of stone moves water better than anything I know, as well as high octane. And that's what we brought to this job site. A lot of high octane. I think we used 4 coils. 4 or 5 coils, actually. We got some of the Boffman internal couplers. Use those. Don't use the external. The external, they don't work very well at all. We like these internal couplers. They're barbed, and you cannot get that connection apart. And then the Boffman Tile Company's end plug. Clean, easy. It's also barbed. This is not getting knocked off. This is not coming out.